Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but lately people on my Discord server have been kind of asking how to make a Minecraft server. So in this video, I'm gonna show you so you guys know. Yeah. So first step is to open the Minecraft launcher. So now what you're going to do is you're gonna head over to installations. Then what you're going to do is you're going to either click edit on the version you want or add new. So then what you're going to do is this doesn't really matter, you can just kind of like cancel after this, but what you want to do is you want to choose the version you want. The earliest version you can get, I believe, is 1.3, so it's way down there, but I want 1.14.4, so I'm going to click that, and then right here where it says server, so we're going to come over here to this, and then over here where it has the file here, that means that you can close this because it's done downloading. Okay, so you double clicked this, right, server.jar, and then it popped up this stuff. So the first thing you're going to do here, so you don't have to do that, but I do that because I wanted to. And then the next thing you're going to do is over here, it's going to have an eula.txt. So you're going to open this. So you're going to scroll over here and copy this and open it in your browser. I've already read it, so I can just change this to true. All right. And then you hit Control S or save, and I do it twice just to be sure. And then what you're going to do is you're going to redo this. So now, when it starts, it should actually start the server and create a bunch of stuff. And of course now, like your computer's on the same internet as you, can join. All they have to do is type in localhost, one word, like this. Whoops. Like that, and then that's it. But if you want your friends to be able to join and stuff, like, say my friend lives down the street, he can't join because he's not on the same internet, because once it's gonna say a bunch of stuff, alright, like this sort of thing, Java. Then when it says done, you're just gonna go ahead, type stop, like that. And then it's going to stop. And it'll close. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go over here and click on this, or this, and type CMD. Like this, CMD. And it's going to have this command prompt, alright? So what you're going to do here is once it opens, you're going to do ipconfig. So then it's going to have this, alright? So what you want to do with this is you're going to need the IPv4 address right here and the default gateway. So first is the IPv4 address to hold on. So So then what you're going to do first is you're going to use the default gateway in order to make a port then the IP and it's gonna have this command prompt. All right, so you're gonna do here. So once it opens, you're going to do ipconfig. So then it's going to have this, all right? So what you want to do with this is you're going to need the IPv4 address right here and the default gateway. So first is the IPv4 address to hold on. So then what you're going to do first is you're going to use the default gateway in order to make a port forward, which is what we're going to do next. And for this, I'm going to use Chrome because I have it saved there, like the password and stuff, for the router and modem setup thing, which is what you're going to next. So you're going to 19, or you're going to go to your default gateway. So that's mine. Of course, we're going to just do this. Alright, over here you're going to type in IP, right? So you're going to type in IP on Google. So then, right here, this is blurred out, but because it's my IP address, can't have that on the end. I'm going to copy it, of course, and then this is the IP that your friends will connect to on their Minecraft. But yeah, so that's how that works, and I'm just gonna close this now. So what you're actually going to do next is a good thing to do is this spawn protection. So this is really stupid, and the lowest it can be at is 1. Alright, so basically the spawn protection will protect like a radius around it, and you won't be able to mine or build in that certain area, which is kind of stupid in my opinion. So you're just gonna change that to 1 unless you want it. And then the next thing to do is that's pretty much it actually. So now we can just run this, and we can close this after we save it. And then you can close that. You can close this after this is loaded up and it's started. Actually, there's one more thing. Sorry. One more thing. Alright guys, so the next thing to do is to create a new text document. As you can see, I've already created it. Then what you're going to do in the text document is type this command that I found on minecraft.net, and you're going to change it to this because they don't even know what their own file is called. So you're going to just save this as, so it's in here, right? And the first thing you need to do is under here, save as type, change this to all files, and then name it run.bat. So this is a Windows batch file, which will run this command. Okay, and then it's here. You can just delete this because it's right here. Then if you do this, then it'll open this. And basically this command, it in the CMD prompt, of course, and you can just do this. And then the next thing to do is, once it's done this, is you want to do op and then the player that you would like. So that would be me. It's going to take a little bit since my internet is trash. It's kind of overloaded because my internet is trash. Might need to add a little bit more RAM here. That's totally okay as long as you have the space for it. And then this is my server. Yeah. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe and stuff.